Warm welcome to the exciting world of animals. May I ask you for a subscription, please? The black-headed woodpecker, Picus erythropygius, is a species of bird in the family Picidae. It is found in Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, and Vietnam. Its natural habitats are temperate forests and subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests. It has a combination of black face, pale eyes, yellow throat, green wings, bright red rump, and white belly. Males also have a bright red crown patch. They prefer dry forests, usually in the lowlands and foothills. Moves about in small, noisy bands. Song is a rollicking, husky yelps, somewhat reminiscent of chickens or deranged laughing. Thank you for your interest in wildlife. See you pretty soon, and take care, be safe.